code, we have got different types of codes also. We have got different types of binary codes that are being used. So binary code for the decimal digit, we can have a formula like 8421. We can use a 8421. Then we can have a formula of 2421. Okay, I can use a formula for 2421. This is also one of the type of code that has been used. So if I calculate what will be the maximum result I will be getting from it. So we have 8421, then we have got 2421. Then one of the code which we are using is the access 3 code. Access 3 code. Okay, and even you can find there is a code which is known as the 84 minus 2 minus. If I take all the example of this, so let's say I have to write a number 9 in the form of 8421. What will be the answer? My answer will be 1001. If I want to write it in the 2421, what will be my answer? 11111. And I'm just leaving access 3. Okay, if I have to write in the form of 84 minus 2 minus 1, what will be my answer? My answer will be 111. So you got it? How you are getting this 1111 here? We have got a access 3 code. Okay, so access 3 is a, we can say when we are talking about the access 3 code, access 3 code is an unweighted code. These are the unweighted codes. For example, let's suppose I write 0100. 0100. Now if I ask you that what this is representing, this is representing a 4. Okay, because the most popular method which we are using is this 8421 method. This is your 4. Now if I ask you that okay, my coding is in the form of 2421. Now what it will going to represent? It will going to represent 4. Again 8421. What it was representing? It was representing 4. Okay, so got it? Because see why it happens, I'm telling you, because you can see the positioning at which 4 is present and the 4 which is present here is same. So you are getting the same answer. That's why I have taken this example, that the pattern will going to be same, can be same, or the pattern can be different depending upon the number which you have chosen. So let's take another example. If I write here, let's say 0101. Okay, now if I am asking you in 8421 and 2421, now you will going to see that the answer will going to be different. In 8421 it is 5. So how you have to write this code? Okay, that is also important to understand, that how you have to write this code. So let me take this one first. Please understand this example. I will be taking a combination of 8421. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So I have to take, if I have to put 5, I have to take this and this. I have to take this and this. That means I have to put 1 here, then 0, then 1, then 0. You are getting this point? Now, because this is very simple, 8421, you are just doing 8421, 8421. Okay. Now come to the another example. Please see it seriously because this is very important. Now if I have used 2421, so how I will be writing 2421. So what was this? This was, according to you, this was the 5 number. Now how I can write this 5 in 2421? So again you have to start from where? You have to start from the MSB. So let's say I have got this 1, so I will going to take this 1. Then I got 2. So to get the result 5, I can add it 1, 2 here. I can add 2 because 1 plus 2 will be your 3. You are getting my point? I will add 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now can I add 4 or not in this 3? I cannot, because 4 plus 3 will going to give you 7. So what I will do, I will not going to take. Then I will take this 2. So this will going to give me 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So where my 1 is being placed? 1, 0, 1, 1. So we have to start from the LSB position. Okay, so this stands for the least significant bits, LSB, and this is stand for the MSB. Whenever the question will be given to you, the question will be given to you is that represent 1 1, let's say 0 1 in 8421, or then you can say represent 1101 in 2421. Code representation will be given to you. How you are representing the code? By default, if it is not given, then you have this by default. So access 3 codes are the unweighted decimal codes because we don't have any weightage for it. So basically what we can say that access 3 is the unweighted code, and this unweighted codes, what we are doing whenever we are getting any type of resultant, what we are doing, we are adding 3 to it. What we are doing, we are adding 3 to it. Okay, so in access 3 what we will do, we will going to add the whatever the answer we are getting, we will going to add the 3 to it. So for example, if I talk about the 0 0 0, so if I have got 0, so if I have to represent this 0, so how I can have 0? I can have a 0 like this, but in access 3 code what I have done, I have to add 3. So this will be my answer will be 0 0 1 1. So answer will be my 0 0 1 1. So this will be your representation of a 0 in access 3. Let's take another example. If I have 1, so how I can write 1? Add, take out the answer. What will be the answer? So answer will be your 0, carry 1, 0 1 0. Okay, so this will be your answer. This is your access 3 code. So 1 is represented by 0 1 0 0. Take out the access 3 code of 5. How I will write 5? 8 4 2 1 and 0 0 1 1. So I will going to add it. 1 plus 1 0, then 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, then 1. Okay, so this 1 0 0. So this is your access 3. So now you can understand that why we are going for this binary. Okay, why we are going for this digital electronics. You can see that we can generate different types of patterns. You have seen that we have generated different types of patterns. We have got 2 4 2 1, 8 4 minus 2 minus 1. We have got 2 4 2 1, 8 4 2 1. Actually, why we have added this 3? Because access 3, as the name says, access 3 code. We are providing 3 numbers more than whatever the code is given.
Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture.